Now if you come across this issue on your car where you hear a constant clicking noise like this, then most likely it will be your headlight leveling motor. So I had the car ramped up. The front bumper was slightly taken off to get access at the back of the headlight. Is that yellow bit? I was touching this. This one's really vibrating. Oh, the grey one.
That's the motor plug. And that's the motor plug.
This one,
Yeah.
Okay. So this little fella was making all that racket. Now these headlight motors cost around £20 online.
Yeah.
You can also try to pick one up second hand from the scrapyard. Now the job of these little motors is to keep its level of the headlight shining directly on the road. So what I've been told is most likely the threads inside has been damaged. We got a second hand one fitted and everything seems perfectly fine. No more noise and the headlight leveler was working fine too.
Okay.
So if you come across that noise, you know what to check out first. Take care guys, peace.